Hello everyone, welcome back to Easy Home Living. In today's video, I am going to harvest some of the vegetable in the garden. We have tomatoes, cucumber, chilies, and some green beans. We have some tomatoes beside the swing and some of it already dropped. I also have tomatoes beside our fence. And these are the wild tomatoes. It grew on their own and they are smaller than the other tomatoes. They are called cherry tomatoes, and I have some more here where the raspberry are. My son and my daughter love eating this kind of tomatoes. I just freeze them and they eat it like that. These are my green beans. They are done. I'll be pulling them out soon and I will be planting some garlic. These are the cucumber. They don't look very good anymore because it's getting cold at night and cucumber does not like cold weather. So I think this is going to be done as well. I'm also going to harvest some carrots to put in my beef soup. These carrots are supposed to be short carrots, so they're just about the right size. These are all the harvests I got today. Carrots, beans, tomatoes, cucumbers, chilies, and a little bit of strawberries. Now I am going to wash all the vegetables. And look what we got here. This is a small slug. I will be teaching you how to kill them naturally. All you have to do is sprinkle some salt on them and then they will die. They will get stuck in there and they won't be able to move until they're dead. I will wash all the vegetable thoroughly and I will freeze some of the tomatoes and some of the green beans for the winter use. I can use them for soup and other dishes. I separated the big tomatoes and the cherry tomatoes because we will be using the big tomatoes now, and the cherry tomatoes we're gonna use it for future use, and my children love eating them frozen so they can enjoy it. What I do is I put them in a Ziploc and I remove as much air as I can and put them in the freezer. What I do with the green beans is I cut the edges and cut it about an inch or two, and then I will wash them and Ziploc and put them in the freezer. Here's my green beans, some chilies, the tomatoes, and they're all ready to go in my freezer. So here's my freezer. Pardon the mess. I already froze some of the vegetable in the garden. The one in the containers are green onions. There are more tomatoes and green beans. This is what I do on my harvest on the garden.
Thank you so much for watching.